Did you know that the acid that resides at our stomach, which is hydrochloric acid, has many industrial uses? Some examples include, getting used in oil fuel production, in swimming pools to keep the pools clean by killing the bacteria and fungi, in the production of bleach. Side note: do not mix bleach with hydrochloric acid, you will die. Even in the food we eat to keep their pH levels at an edible level. And finally, in the production of everything made with or out of rubber. It is kinda ironic when you think about it. Rubber is made with hydrochloric acid, but it can't be touched by hydrochloric acid. By the way, contrary to common belief, swallowing a gum will not doom you to have a gum inside you forever. Instead, it will just be pushed into your anus by your stomach and intestine. You can also make hydrochloric acid at home by just mixing concentrated vinegar with some salt. Just don't ingest that vinegar ever again and you will be fine.